Hello everyone. Today we are going to tear down this FlyDigi trigger mostly used for playing games like PUBG. This is the micro USB port used to charge the battery. It has got a red LED indicator. Once fully charged, LED will turn off. This is the switch used to change the mode from auto mode to burst or auto tapping mode. Single dot position is the fastest way of shooting, which will continuous touch the screen. 3-dot position is the auto tap or multiple click mode, which will touch the screen 8 times per second. This mode is used for guns like M16A4, Mini 14, SLR, SKS, etc. Let's open this trigger and see what we have got inside. There are total of 4 Phillips screws at each corner holding this trigger in place. This trigger has got a metal round strip instead of normal spring for the pulling mechanism. This is the micro push button switch with rating of 1 ampere and 125 volt AC. These buttons are normally used in computer mouses. The battery is of 3.7 volts and can work up to 120 hours. It gets fully charged within 30 minutes. This trigger is microcontroller based, which is used to control the multiple clicks, which is 8 clicks per second. Let's put back this trigger and see how it performs. Actually, I have been using these triggers for more than a year now, and their performance is outstanding. The cheap mechanical trigger, which has got a magnet, stops working after few days, but these electronic triggers are way better. I'll show you in this game what is the main function of this switch. I'll keep the switch on single dot position and let's take any auto gun. This position of switch will touch the screen constantly. Now, let's take any sniper and burst mode gun. I'll now set the button to 3-dot position with its auto tap mode. Advantage of this button is that we don't have to keep tapping and burst mode guns will work like auto. If you like my video then please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video.